Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month. Absolutely amazing exchange that I've actually been trading on myself for the past week or so, as they have an amazing competition on currently to win a Tesla and some other insane prizes. They also have a 10k sign up bonus when completing all the tasks, so go get involved with that, click the link below and join to win some unreal cash and grand prizes. We've also partnered with BitUnix, who are offering $5,500 of bonuses for the first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up with them as well. And we've also partnered with Funded Bits, who are offering a great discount on their funded challenges right now. Amazing trading platform I've been using myself as well, and conditions, so make sure to get involved there. Also make sure to grab all your sign up bonuses from our other exchange partnerships, BingX and BitTrue. There's tons of free money to be had signing up and depositing there as well. BitTrue specifically have some incredible bonuses right now signing up and depositing. They're a great exchange, so make sure to get involved on their platform depositing and trading as well. So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see here, Dogecoin very much looking like it's in a very bearish place right now, just like a lot of altcoins have been over the past, what we're looking at now, ever since we got the Trump pump. We absolutely flew to the upside for Dogecoin here. Dogecoin actually had already priced in a lot of its move before Trump won the election. Trump obviously won around here. We got this nice move and then just a slow trickle to the upside because it had already made most of that move from that descending wedge, the break, the retest, and then that parabolic move to the upside. Since then we've been heading down in a large way. Pretty obviously on the chart here you can see quite clearly ever since we came up into this area, started to put in a bit of a range, and then when Bitcoin started to drop down out of its range, Dogecoin and a lot of other cryptos getting really smashed and chopped up. I think a lot of people were leveraged in this area on the way up, and they've all been liquidated as a result, starting to get into a really good area for longs in my opinion. I do think that Bitcoin is going to get back up towards all-time highs in the next few months. Dogecoin's going to have some good relief if that's the case, but as I've been saying for a while, we do need to see Bitcoin giving the opportunity to altcoins to actually get some relief. Bitcoin chopping up and down over the past few weeks, 5-10k in a day, is absolutely chopping the altcoin market to pieces. As we know, when Bitcoin does have these big swings in the market, pretty much everything bleeds against it massively in terms of percentages, and you can see across the market this has been happening unanimously pretty much for every single crypto you'll look at. Pepe, Avalanche, SHIB, Dogecoin, Injective, Chainlink, Polygon's been absolutely destroyed. Even Solana, VeChain, the list goes on and on really of all the altcoins that have been all smashed down and chopped up by this Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin obviously recovers pretty easily, but altcoins, when they get chopped up like that, it takes them a long time to recover in comparison to Bitcoin in terms of percentages. And you can see Dogecoin here really has been getting smashed down, losing some key supports. We've obviously come back inside of this previous area where we were kind of ranging before, and you can see we've been dropping through our Fibonacci levels as well, dropping through this 0.50 Fibonacci, which was that previous resistance here as support. Obviously we've come down now and actually back tested finally that final resistance of the bull market, the bear market. You can see the all-time high followed by this local swing high, break and retest, coming into a really good area of demand, getting oversold for Dogecoin for the first time in a very long time as well. You can see the last time that we started getting this oversold, we came into this 0.23 Fibonacci and flew to the upside. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next. I do think Dogecoin is a crypto that's going to definitely do some good things in 2025. A very strong candidate for having a good 4 or 5x pump from here, I think, over the next year or two, as we head into the peak of the bull market that I think is still coming. Obviously that fabled $1 level for Dogecoin, I think that's probably going to get hit over the next year or so. It seems pretty inevitable when you look at this chart. You can clearly see this bullish market structure, the higher highs and higher lows, and then now the break of this final resistance, retest, and then run up to the $1 or $2 area seems pretty likely in my opinion. No reason to suggest otherwise, apart from obviously if Bitcoin chops the market to death and we never get altcoin seasons happening again for a very long time at least, then we're obviously going to be in for some pain. Right now we're basically just waiting to see what will happen next. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for the BTCC competition below. Bit Unix for a massive bonus on sign up, and get involved with our other exchange partnerships for free sign up bonuses, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.